For this project, in a way, it was framed in such a way that there's deliberately a lack of communication.
シンガポールのものを見て、そこから直感的に思いついたことを形にしてみようというふうにすれば、非常にスムーズにアイデアが生まれるんじゃないかと思ったということです。両方の学生たちでプロジェクトやるのに、普通は行き来する、実際に行き来して、そこで交流しながらコラボレーションすることなんだけども、実際に会わないでコラボレーションって言えるようなプロジェクトがどうやってできるかと考えたときに、シンガポールはシンガポールで、京都は京都で非常に、都市として非常に強い文化を持っているので、その文化的な要素だけを交換する。シンガポールの学生は京都なんです。京都の学生がシンガポールからインスピレーションデザインをするっていうことを思いついたんですよね。
There's a certain sense of lightness in terms of how the image are kind of appropriate and applied, which probably would not have happened if there was a lot of filter. In this instance, it's almost kind of a naive way of appropriating that image, and without any reference of the context or the importance of the meaning behind those image. So I think this probably is the most unique part about the whole process itself and how the work are created.
まずミラノに来て初めてシンガポールの学生たちの作品を見たんですけども、とても印象的だったのはデジタルファブリケーションツールを当たり前のように使ってるわけなんですけども、シンガポールの学生の使い方がとても面白いと。 3D プリントとああいう縄紐のようなものを組み合わせて一つのプロダクトにしているとか、あるいは CNC で削る前にレジンで板を成形しているとか、そういうやり方はなかなか我々は普段してないので、そういう点では非常に面白いし勉強になったと思います。
I noticed something that quite unique about projects from KYOTO students. There's a strong kind of a finishing between the concept idea to the kind of final product, and I kind of attribute that to the process and the craftsmanship available around Kyoto area for the students to be able to make that kind of translation. And that translation is not simply a way of making a model or making a prototype from drawing. I think that translation itself affects, also changes the concept or how the outcome is finally.
What is really interesting for me is what the design schools, the students are bringing in the next future about new way of living and new typologies. And another thing that I find really interesting and also something that is causing a lot of maybe stress as I work is that the perception of the objects in general, the products in general, comes from little pictures on our iPhones. So we don't experience so much anymore in person, in reality, but we get a lot of those images. So the impression that causes in our perception is huge. So creating a real interaction is something that it's going to be in our taking in consideration the amount of images that we assume every day.